Welcome to the mind game of Solitaire, a journey through strategy, psychology, and a little bit of luck. More than just a pastime, Solitaire is a mirror, reflecting how we think, how we choose, and ultimately how we live. Solitaire has captivated generations. Its simplicity hides a deep strategic core, blending logic with randomness. But beneath the surface, the game becomes more than just moving cards. It becomes a mental playground. Today we'll explore the strategies players use, the psychology behind their moves, and how these choices can reflect our decision-making in everyday life. Let's start by identifying three core playstyles, each with its own unique psychological fingerprint. This style reflects a preference for action over hesitation, a mindset that embraces outcomes, even if imperfect. It's the mark of a planner, someone who thrives when systems are in place and surprises are minimized. This approach reflects adaptability, the kind of decision-maker who understands that context is everything. Your solitaire strategy is more than a play style. It's a reflection of how you think. Do you rush in? Do you hesitate? Do you adapt? By becoming mindful of your decisions in-game, you begin to see patterns, not just in cards, but in life. Whether you're managing time, resources, or relationships, your solitaire mindset may reveal your core approach. Solitaire trains more than just patience. It hones strategic thinking, pattern recognition, and focus. But perhaps most powerfully, it opens a door to self-reflection. What does your way of playing say about you? Where do you hesitate? Where do you leap? What do you trust more, logic or instinct? And of course, let's not forget the fun. Solitaire is a game. And that joy, that quiet satisfaction of a well-played hand, is the real victory. There's no right way to play solitaire. Each strategy adds to the game's richness, just as every mindset adds color to our world. So the next time you sit down to play, remember this. You're not just moving cards, you're learning about yourself. What kind of player are you? Share your strategies and stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, play smart, play mindfully, play with joy.